What's up YouTube? This is JB back with another Mustang video. So if you're new to the channel, most of these videos are about my 67 Fastback build. I got TCI front Pro Touring suspension put in. Then I have my Detroit Speed mini tubs done. I did a steering column, Willwood brake and pedal assembly, TCI rear suspension, torque arm suspension with a quick performance 9-inch rear end. So that's the Mustang. But in today's video, you know, I've had these tires and wheels for a while now, so I'm about to go ahead and load these up in the truck and get the wheels put on the tires. So alright, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so I got back that day with the tires done. When I got home, I had something to do, so I didn't get to put them on like I wanted to. But I did though. Before I leave, I had to see what they look like. So I did put them on just real quick. I didn't put the lug nuts on and nothing like that, but I just wanted to see kind of what it looked like before I left. So now I finally got the time to go ahead and put them on, see what they look like. So I got them all mounted and balanced and everything. So let's go ahead and see what they look like on the car. Alright, so putting on these front ones looked like I ran into a little problem. So you can see how far this dust cap sticks out. So what is happening is hitting on the inside of this cap right here. So what I'm probably gonna have to do is go ahead and knock that out for now, and then go ahead and, sorry about that, the sun is actually really shining out here, but what I'm gonna have to do is go ahead and knock that out. And for now, it just won't have a cap on there, just so I can get it on there. So, all right, let me get to doing that. Alright, so I got the wheels on. Don't worry about the sweat, because right now in Georgia it's like 90-something degrees, and then plus I'm in this garage, so it's even hotter in here. But I got the wheels on so y'all can see what it looked like. So here you can see I still got some space. These are 285s, so I could probably go 315s. And then you see in the front where I said I had to knock off the cap just for that dust cap to fit through. So let's go ahead and see what it looked like on the ground now. Alright, so now it's on the ground. But I think what I'm gonna do, is actually move it out the garage so y'all can really get a good look at everything. Yeah, let me go ahead and move it out the garage so y'all can really see it. So that's the car. You know, I hope y'all like what y'all saw so far. I mean, I still got a lot of stuff to do, but I got a lot of stuff done. So thank y'all for watching. Make sure you hit that like button, the subscribe button, hit that notification bell so y'all know when I post up a new video. And until next time, oh, and comment below anything else y'all want to see, any questions you have. I can try to help out with anything I can. But until next time, all right, peace.